Discovery captures their imaginations. And with the Latitude 3190 and 3190 2-in-1 convertible from Dell, students can experience an untapped level of interaction and impact. They can experiment without worrying about minor spills or messes. And with up to 15 hours of battery life, they're always ready for what comes next. Even accidental drops can't get in the way of their education. With multiple customizable modes, it's designed for however they learn. Windows 10 Pro, a suite of Microsoft Office programs, and hundreds of optional educational apps enhance everything they learn. These Latitudes also have outstanding support and serviceability, so students can learn without limits. The active pen and camera allows them to create in real time while breathing new life into each activity. Presenting laptops and 2-in-1s designed for innovative exploration and engaged students. Break the boundaries of education